Good morning and welcome to the back of the BMW M5 Touring, where yes, in fact, you can sleep in the back even if you're over 6'2" like me. But I need to get up and get going because I have a lot planned for today to fully utilize the most of this wagon. This M5 Touring features 67 cubic feet of storage when the rear seats are laid flat. Now, in comparison, the X5 Hybrid only has 71. That's just 4 cubic feet more. Now, the brilliance of the M5 Touring, besides its amazing looks, is that it's also obviously the same height as the 5 Series. So if you put on a roof rack for more storage, you can easily lift up a bike onto there, or your skis, or get into a rooftop box. In comparison, if you tried to do that with an X5, you better be my height, that 6'2", if you want to get anything up into that. Because then what happens is you end up putting a trailer hitch on to mount your bikes or anything else. And then that just gets way in the trunk, making the M5 Touring, or what we call here in America the wagon, is more practical. And since it looks better, let's go find out what 67 cubic feet of storage can actually hold today. So unfortunately, this M5 Touring has roof rails and not the traditional bolt-on mounts like the 3 and 4 Series. So my rack is not going to work on this vehicle. So I can't throw on my bike rack or my rooftop box to show you how much this 5 Series can actually hold. We're just going to have to see how much it can actually hold on the inside of this wagon. Now, like I mentioned, I would highly recommend a rack for this. But since it is a very large wagon, it can easily fit my large 29-inch mountain bike with ease, with only having to take that front wheel off. Just be sure to lay down a blanket or something for afterwards so you don't get that beautiful interior all dirty. So let's say the mountain's not your thing, but maybe more so the open water. Well, it is a good sized wagon, but unfortunately it does not fit a 9.5-foot kayak. Pretty close though. Maybe if you had a whitewater one, maybe. So thankfully, these kayaks are foldable. Just like that. And because it is the size of a large golf bag, you can fit more than one in there. And speaking of golf bags, now maybe mountain biking and kayaking are just a little too adventurous for you, and you like the more casual walk on the golf course every now and then. And well, the M5 Touring is perfect for that. But I did come across a few issues that I thought were kind of surprising. Now, one carry bag fits no problem. It's equipped with cubbies on both sides, which are perfect for golf clubs. Because when you go to put them in there, the woods fit right in that little space, as you can see. And well, 2 carry bags would probably fit just fine. Unfortunately, if you're carrying 4 people in a wagon, it's not going to fit the golf clubs very well. As you can see further up, the woods don't fit all the way across. Let me take the bag out and show you. Here's my driver, which is a standard length. It does not fit. So to make them fit, you're wedging clubs around, you're sliding them up in the ski pass through. Just not ideal for golf clubs. So yes, it does fit, but not ideal. Okay, we're done playing for the day. Time to get to work and put the wagon to use. And here's the great thing about the wagon, because of course it's a lot like an SUV with all this space, that you can take a 2x4, a standard 8-foot wall stud, and easily fit it. It's awesome. Love this car. And lastly, it's time to change over from Halloween to Christmas, so let's see how many totes it can haul. Ugh. 12. It can fit 12 large storage totes. That's a lot of stuff. Now I've had this M5 Touring for a week and I didn't know what to do with it because Horatio reviewed it at launch a year ago and you can watch that video here, and Sean reviewed it 3 months ago and you can watch that video here. So I guess that left me with being the goofy video guy. So please, if you liked it, click that subscribe button down below and I'll see you next time.